In a world where technology evolves at the speed of thought, the programming languages of yesterday may not be the ones ruling the roost tomorrow. As we navigate the digital sea, it's crucial to keep our tech skills updated. The dynamism of the tech landscape has sparked a race among programmers to master the languages that are in vogue today and those predicted to dominate tomorrow. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So let's delve into the top programming languages that are set to rule 2024. The programming landscape today is dominated by languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java. These powerhouses of the coding world have carved out their niches thanks to their versatility and wide-ranging applications. Python, for instance, is a favorite among data scientists and machine learning engineers due to its simplicity and robust libraries. JavaScript, on the other hand, is the beating heart of web development, making the internet more interactive and user-friendly. And let's not forget Java, the evergreen language that continually evolves to meet the demands of modern software development. These languages have stood the test of time, adapting and growing in response to the ever-changing tech environment. But just like the technology industry itself, the programming world is always in flux, continually evolving and pushing boundaries. However, with the emergence of new technologies, the programming world is set for a paradigm shift. Technologies like AI, machine learning, blockchain, and IoT are redefining the future. As we plunge deeper into the digital age, these emerging technologies are shaping our world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. Let's take a closer look. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing everything from healthcare to transportation. Python, with its simplicity and vast libraries, has become the go-to language for AI and machine learning. On the other hand, blockchain is creating new opportunities in finance and beyond. Solidity, though relatively new, is making waves as the primary language for developing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. When it comes to the Internet of Things, or IoT, C and Java reign supreme, thanks to their efficiency and versatility in handling a variety of tasks across different devices. But what does this mean for anyone looking to ride the wave of these technological advancements? It means that choosing the right programming language isn't just about current trends. It's about where the future is heading. It's about aligning your skills with the technologies that are set to shape our world in the coming years. So, if you're looking to position yourself at the forefront of this tech revolution, then it's crucial to understand the dominant languages in these emerging sectors. Given these trends, one language that stands out as the winner for 2024 is the crown jewel of 2024 is set to be Swift. Yes, you heard it right. Swift, the powerful and intuitive programming language for Apple operating systems, is taking the tech world by storm. Its versatility is a sight to behold. Swift is not just for building mobile apps, it's a fully fledged language that can be used to build anything from server-side applications to machine learning models. With its clean syntax and expressive nature, Swift is a language that's easy to learn and a joy to use. But what makes Swift stand out from the crowd is its vibrant and supportive community. There's no shortage of resources and fellow Swift enthusiasts ready to help. From forums to dedicated websites, the Swift community is a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. And let's not forget about industry adoption. Giants like Airbnb, LinkedIn, and even the mighty Apple itself are all betting big on Swift. It's safe to say that knowing Swift will make you a hot commodity in the job market. The real-world applications of Swift are vast and varied. From creating the next killer app to revolutionizing the gaming industry, the possibilities are endless. Just look at the success stories of apps like Lyft and Slack. They were built with Swift, and look where they are now. Learning and mastering this language can open up a world of opportunities. To help you get started with this language, there are a plethora of resources available. From comprehensive books to insightful online courses and interactive tutorials, there's something for everyone. Remember, no one learns in isolation. A vibrant, supportive community is just as crucial. It's a place for sharing ideas, solving problems together, and growing as a coder. So connect with others, engage in discussions, and contribute when you can. With the right resources and community support, mastering this language can be a rewarding journey.